Alright, so this is going to be a really quick demo of a new tenon plugin. It is currently in alpha stages. There's some bugs and stuff like that, but the basic principles are there, so I figured I'd show it off. I've gone over here to my extension page and I click this icon, and that gives me the options to go to the options page, which is where I am now. In order to enable this, I need to click this checkbox that says enable testing, and that lets me add a number of options here. The first thing I need to do, though, is I need to get my API key. And so my API key is here. This is a test API key, so this is going to go away anyway, so I can share it on the video. Anyway, I need to enter the instance URL. Now, if you're an enterprise customer, it'll probably be something different, but for everybody else, it'll be https www.tenon-all-the-things. I'll enter my API key. I will enter my default project ID, my content selector, domains. I'm going to just leave that blank. And then some other options here. Select whether I want to store the results, and if I hit yes, my options are saved. Now, basically from this point forward, because I have nothing in this domains section, it will actually literally test every page that I browse on. So I'm going to go over here, over to my console. And what that's going to do, actually, is it's going to log every page that I test. So right now, it's already tested Reddit. Let's see, I want to go to all, which it's just actually where I am, and then it'll do some testing, and eventually it will we'll see a new result listed here when that comes up. There we go. So there's the new one, and so now we see this entry here in the console. It says begin result. It says what page I'm on, which is the page title, which is matching that listed here. What page I was on, how many errors, how many warnings, and then if I wanted to, I can just go ahead and click this link here in the console. It'll take me to those exact results. So it goes to that history page. It's going to find those results in the database and redisplay them up here. And there we are. There's our results. So that lists all the issues on the page as we would in any normal instance. So that's it. That's how this works. Basically, as you browse any new pages, for instance, if I go into, let me go into the news subreddit. Click on the news subreddit, and as I get to that new page, it's going to test that, and there we go. And that's it. Now, there's lots of other things that you can do here with this plugin. You can limit it to different parts of the page. You can give it a special project ID. Lots of stuff that can be done will be discussed in another video.